Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, this is a get ready with me because I am makeup free, except for mascara because I've taken off my day makeup and I'm getting ready for an event tonight with Bella Mianta. I'm meeting Maura Higgins from Love Island, the UK one. So excited. I feel like she deserves an award for keeping the show fiery. Yeah, we're gonna go a little bit sexier with the makeup. I'm thinking like a smokier kind of eye. It is a tanning brand, so the dress code is beige, white, gold. So everything else is gonna be bronzy and sexy. So if you want to see my get ready with me for an event, then just keep on watching. So I was actually at an Urban Decay event last night and they gave me, oh, I'm gonna turn off the volume on my phone, Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation up to 24-hour wear. I have it in the shade 5N, hoping it's a match. This is my first time, so it's kind of like a review on this because I have never tried it before. It is new. I'm gonna start off with, I guess one pump doesn't look like enough. I'm gonna do 2 pumps. I think this is like quite a full coverage foundation, so. Actually, I feel like the color is good. Yeah, I feel like that's perfect with the tan. I got neutral because I didn't want it to be too yellowy and I didn't want it to pull too pink, so cool. I feel like this is perfect, but I definitely need a tan to wear this or else I would have to mix it in with a lighter foundation. That is good, and it doesn't even look heavy on my skin. You know, and it's like all the same color, we need to like lighten this up. So this is the Stay Naked Correcting Concealer. I have it in the shade 5 Warm, WY. I feel like it could be a little dark. I don't know. I'm gonna put it under my eyes. Oh, maybe not. That looks brightening. Warm always kind of brightens up my face, but I have a couple stubborn red spots right here. Not fun, but not the end of the world. Don't want to get too cakey because I feel like when you get actually more coverage, it actually emphasizes any breakouts or, you know, blemish areas that you're trying to hide. So it does the opposite of what you're doing. So I'm just trying to keep a light hand with this, and I'm doing it all with a sponge because I feel like it takes off excess product. Flip this around and buff under my eyes. Oh yeah, I feel like that's okay. Thought it was gonna be too dark because I felt like 5 was darker shade. I only can wear this when I have a tan though. I don't know if I want to use a cream bronzer. I think I'm just gonna go right into setting this all. Not with that. Bye Bye Pores translucent powder. So good. Keeping my oil at bay. I'm just gonna really pack that in my oily spots. So basically just my T-zone and my nose. I guess that's in my T-zone. Because this event is for a tanning company, we're just gonna go for it. This is the BareMinerals bronzer in Warm. Love it. In my recent vlog, I was saying that this is one of my favorite bronzers ever. Just the smell is really off-putting. It smells like a fake tan, which I don't know why they did that, but it's an amazing bronzer. So, and it's clean beauty, so I can get over that. I'm just gonna buff this on my cheekbones. Not necessarily contouring, just adding some warmth. That's the name. I'm gonna take my Ofra Island Time palette. Love it. I feel like I'm gonna go with these two. Kind of want a peachier vibe, so I'm gonna mix them together and just hit the apples on my cheek and blend up. I'm gonna also go over the bridge of my nose. Looks more sun-kissed. Also on my eyelids, and my temples. Everywhere. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded. It's gorgeous. All the neutrals you could ever desire. I don't know what kind of look I want to do for my eyes yet. Maybe I should do my brows first. Pony, soft brunette, natural brown. It was called soft brunette, I don't know why. Thought that would give me more inspiration for my eye look, but it didn't. I'm gonna take this shade, the lightest shade in the palette. Maybe I should zoom you guys in. I'm gonna pop it all over my lid. Zoom you guys in a wee bit. Ah! Then I'm gonna take Bucked, which is a nice neutral brown, and put it at the outer corner and the inner corner. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in. Now I'm going to take Endgame, which is a nice espresso matte shade, and put it in the same area as I just put Bucked. Now I'm going to take Angel Fire on my finger and pop it in the center. Never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your love, and baby, and never let me down. cute. Okay, I feel like I need an eyeliner. I'm gonna take this Benefit one. It is the Bad Gal Bang 24-Hour Eye Pencil. I think I smushed it, whoops. But it does have a little schmudger on the other end. Look at the cap there. I'm not gonna create a wing with this. I'm strictly just gonna keep it at my lash line and then smudge it up. Since I already have my mascara on, I'm going to move to lashes. How cute is this little kiss box? It holds, one second, all my lashes in there. So I think I'm gonna wear this set. I think it's Kiss. I don't know, but it's like a nice full set in the center and then it wisps out at either side. What do you guys think? Those are dramatic. Ooh, let's do it. No, the battery sign has come on. Okay guys, I'm gonna turn off the camera, but I'm putting these lashes on. I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. Obviously I look a lot different. I just touched up my hair with a couple more waves, zhuzhed it up. It's like 4th day, so it's gonna basically stay however I put it. I have my dress on. Hopefully this boob tape holds up because my hair's not long enough to cover. Also, I just put a little bit of that bucked shadow underneath. Lashes turned out good. Okay, I'm like shaking. Whirl lip liner from MAC. Lipstick is L'Oreal Mocha Chic. Love this color. I have 2 of them. They're so pretty. And then, this is my new favorite thing. It was gifted to me a couple weeks back. It's the Chiara Fiangi. You probably know who she is. She's massive on social media. Collaboration with Lancome. And this is the L'Absolu La Cure in 1997. Just elevates the lipstick, watch. That's like a pearl finish on it. Love that. I feel like you can kind of rock that with any lipstick. I'm gonna spray my face quickly with Urban Decay All Nighter. Okay, final things. I'm gonna put a little bit more blush on just because it's the first thing that comes off. You guys know the drill. Sorry if I sound like I'm in a rush because I am in a rush. Okay, I have touching up powder and my lipstick. It's gonna have to do. In this little bag, best like 5 pounds I ever spent at TK Maxx. So good. Lipstick, setting powder, my cards, my phone, my camera. So this is the final look. Definitely a lot more intense than most of my makeup looks. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I had so much fun doing it. I know it kind of felt rushed at the end there, but I gotta go. So if you want to watch my vlog of my stay in Dublin, then you can see the event, but hope you guys enjoyed.